Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little hair tutorial on this bouncy, shiny, soft, blown out look. Just has like a nice little flip at the ends. Always reminds me of like Jen Aniston from the early 2000s, which for me is always a vibe. Love her. Rachel Green vibes forever. So to achieve this look, I used the Dyson Supersonic Dryer. I am working with Dyson for today's video, and when they reached out to work with me, I was so excited because you guys know I am obsessed with the air wrap. So when they reached out, I was thrilled. So in honor of the 5th anniversary of the Supersonic Dryer, they are now including 5 attachments. With the dryer, they have the original attachments, and I will show you guys all of those in a second. But then they also have a 5th one, and that is the brand new flyaway attachment. So I'm going to be trying out that later on in the video as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. So let's get into the tutorial. I have just been letting my hair dry while I was doing my makeup. So I would say my hair is maybe like 75% dry. It's still very wet at like the root area, but like the bottom ends are kind of like drying out a little bit. So to finish up the drying process, I'm going to go in with the Dyson Supersonic Dryer. This has 5 attachments that comes with it, one of which is new. So let me show you guys the attachments really quick. So the first attachment it comes with is the diffuser. This is amazing if you have wavy or curly hair. It really just helps to evenly diffuse and define your curls and waves without giving that frizzy effect. Then the next attachment is the wide tooth comb. This is great if you are someone who has textured hair. It's really going to help to shape and lengthen textured hair as it dries. Then we have the styling concentrator. This just has a really nice wide and thin attachment, so it's going to be really precise when you are styling. Then next we have the brand new attachment, which is the flyaway attachment. This uses the Kawanda effect to kind of hide all of the flyaways and tame them and help them like lay flat, and it reduces flyaways by 62%, which is amazing, and you guys will see this in action later in the video. Then lastly we have the gentle air attachment, which I'm going to be using first. This is amazing for sensitive scalps or fine textured hair, which I have both, so this is one of my favorites. It's very gentle, just like it says in the description. The amount of air and like the pressure of it just feels like really gentle on the scalp, and it's not irritating at all. So I'm going to start off by going in with this. So I'm just going to pop that on. It clicks right in. So to turn it on, you just flip this switch. You can control the heat level and the airflow with these buttons up here, and then you have a cool shot button right there. So all of that is in one place, easy access. And I'm going to do like a voiceover for the drying portion so you guys can hear me, because obviously it's a blow dryer and it's going to make some noise. Okay, so first I'm starting off with doing a rough dry, really concentrating on getting the root area nice and dry. I'm using the gentle air attachment for this. The Dyson is super quick and fast at drying your hair. That's one of the things I love most about it, because I really do not enjoy blow drying my hair, but this makes the process so much quicker and easier. They have an air multiplier technology, so it multiplies the air 3 times, so it makes everything so much quicker. It also has intelligent heat control to help protect against extreme heat damage and makes your hair stay nice and shiny. So it's great for a bunch of different hair types, and if you guys want more info, head to dyson.com to learn more about the Supersonic and all the different attachments. So now I'm just going in with the style concentrator and a round brush, and I'm really not that great at round brushing, but I am trying, and the trick I use later on in the video will definitely save us. But I'm just using the concentrator and a round brush to really smooth the hair out, get rid of any like little kinks, and add a little bit of shaping to the end. And then after that, I kind of just go in with the concentrator and just blow all of the air down, just so everything is nice and smooth and going the same direction. And then I will go back in with my round brush in a minute and do the bang area just to give it a little bit of volume there. And that completes my terrible round brushing. So now that everything is like nice and blow dried, I just do like a really light round brushing because I'm not very good at round brushing. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to put some Velcro rollers in. So I'm going to start off with this piece here, and we are going to roll it back. Just like that. I'm just gonna take one of these metal clips and clip it at the base. Then I'm just going to do the same thing with the side piece. Same thing on this side. Okay. Then we're gonna do all of the lower pieces with smaller rollers. So if you want more of like a flip at your ends, use smaller sizes. I'm not even sure what the dimensions of this, but I will find out and I'll put it on screen or in the description. So then once I have all the rollers in, I'm just gonna go in with my diffuser attachment, and I'm gonna use this on a low fan and just kind of like slightly warm up the hair in the roller form. And so this is gonna be like you're sitting underneath a dryer, basically. I'm gonna let these cool for about 15 to 20 minutes and then I will come back and take them out. So I'm back and now I'm gonna start taking out the rollers and I'm just going to pull them out. So if you can see, we're getting some nice flippies at the end. Have you guys seen that one video on Instagram with the girl? She like yanks them out. I've tried that before. I don't know how she does it because I can't get them out. Then it should look something like this. Like the ends are nice and flippy and shiny and bouncy and not so much curled, but just has like a nice bend at the end and you get a nice swoop. So it should look something like that. Then to finish it off, I'm gonna go in with the new Dyson flyaway attachment. As you can see, I have a ton of flyaways and I've said this before if you guys follow me, but I don't like putting product there because I am a hair flipper and a hair toucher and I feel like whatever product I put there, it like gets caught or it just like doesn't work because I touch my hair too much. So I'm gonna go in with this. It instantly smooths your flyaways and just helps everything lay really nicely without adding more damage and without adding more product. So this is their brand new attachment, the flyaway attachment. It uses the Kawanda effect that Dyson is famous for to lift the longer hairs and hide flyaways by up to 62%. And it does it in just like one little swipe, which is pretty cool. It gives you like that salon-like finish, which I struggle with, so this really helps. So here we have the end result. I feel like we are looking bouncy and healthy and shiny, which isn't that the goal here? I love when my hair just feels touchable and looks healthy, and anytime I style with a Dyson hair tool, my hair just feels amazing afterwards. So not only does it look good, but it feels good and I don't feel like I just fried my hair off. They're all about, you know, maintaining the integrity of your hair, which I love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.